Hello everyone, welcome back to TSS. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to solve short links or how to complete short links, because many of you seem to have some problems with them or are confused on how to solve them on our website. So for accessing the short links page, you have to go to you have to hover your mouse on faucet and go to short links right here. Okay, there you'll be seeing 4 types of short links. Okay, and mainly every single short link has the same you have to complete the same procedure for every single short link, but some of them are different. Here there are 4 types of short links, but every short link will be having at least a captcha. When you solve the captcha, you're taken to another page which has a link for which you have to wait for 10 seconds, and when you click on the link you will be taken back to the website. Okay, that's how the short link will be solved. Now let's show you how to solve all these 4 short links in our website. Okay, I'm going to show you the first short link right here. Okay, we are going to do one of each type. Okay, and as I said, all of them mostly have the same type of solving procedure. Okay, and some of them are different, like this Dutchy Cop short link. This is a bit different one. Dutchy links, this is going to be a bit different one. I'll be showing you that right now. It has certain steps to it. Okay, so this is the page loaded up. Okay, here you can see right here, wait 15 seconds and then click on click 1. Okay, so I'm going to wait here for 15 seconds and then I'm going to click on click 1. When I click on click 1, I have to wait for another button called click 2. When I click on click 2, another page shows up that I'll be showing you. So here you can see click 1 right here. I click on it once. Okay, but I have to click on it 3 times. This is the second time. Okay, and one more time. Now after I'm done with 3 times, another button should show up right down here. Look at this. Yes, click 2. Now when you click on click 2, you're taken to another page. On the other page, you have to you don't have to solve a captcha here. I don't know why on this one there's no captchas, but okay, whatever. Now you have to click first you have to click on click 1. Okay, after that you have to keep proceeding. So let's go. I'll be showing you that. Come on, load up. Now these short links will contain 18+ content, most of them, so do it at your own risk or something. It's your wish. This is taking some time to load up, but I'll also be showing you a trick on how to pass through captchas, because captchas you don't really need to solve captchas all the time, because they are just to prevent bots from like accessing their website, accessing the people's website. So what happens is captcha always checks if you're a bot or a human. I'll be showing you how to solve that there, but as you can see, I clicked on click 1 here. A button showed up called click 2. Now I click on click 2 and here it'll come up click here to continue right here, as you can see. Now I'll click on click here to continue. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next page where it'll be a where it'll be a link where I have to click on the link. One sec. There's a lot of pop-ups in short links, but you have to deal with it if you want to earn some rewards. Now, oh my god, this is the problem. These can be a problem sometimes, so I recommend not doing in your phone, because you will be really frustrated by these if you do them on your phone, as you can see. Okay, I might have to do the click once again. Yeah, I have to do the click once again. One sec. As I'm saying, you have to do this on your PC or your laptop, because if you do them on your mobile phone, you will be really frustrated. Come on. Okay, so I click on click 1, click 2 shows up, click on click 2, click here to continue shows up, click on that, moves on to the page with the link. Now here on this you have to wait for the amount of time it's telling you to wait for. Here for me it's 13 seconds. After 13 seconds I can just scroll down and go to click get link, which will be right here. Okay, I click on that and then I can it'll take me back to the website. So I just have to wait for 13 seconds here. The timer has started. This is basically the procedure for every short link, so you should be able to do it very easily. Dutchy Cop is the one that is really really frustrating, but other ones are still fine though. So I just click on get link, and then I'm taken back to Silicon Digital. When I come back to the website, I can click on other links, and if you want to complete short links, it's 2 short links per it's like you can repeat it just 2 times. Okay, don't do it again and again, because your reward won't be added anyways. If you keep doing again and again, you just keep doing them, but your reward won't be added. Okay, so that's completed with Dutchy links. Now the second one is X to YZ. Next 3 are pretty easy. Only the Dutchy links is really frustrating. Same here, same concept. You just have to complete the captcha. Captcha will show up right now. I'll show you that. Here it's solve media captcha. So you have to write down the whatever the text that is shown, okay, to move on to the next page. I'll just be doing that right now. Okay, there will be pop-ups, okay, but you have to keep cutting them, because otherwise you won't be able to earn from these. You have to complete the short link, because if you leave it in middle, you won't be able to get your reward. Now I just solved the captcha, and now I have to just wait here for 10 seconds or whatever the time it will show here. Now when I click on get link here, it's going to open up like 3-4 pop-ups, but we just cut those pop-ups and it will take us back to the website. Okay, get link. Sometimes there's no pop-ups, which is very good. So as you saw, there was no pop-up there for me. Okay, we are back on the website. Now I'm going to click on Linkinator. As I said, every single short link, mostly the same procedure. You just click on it, it takes you to a captcha, you do the captcha, and then you're back on the website when you click on the next page. Now here you can see this is I'm not a robot captcha. Okay, now what happens here is Google, what they have done is 0.5 seconds before you're going to click on this button right here, okay, they record your clicks. So what happens is when you move your mouse, right, if it's a bot, he'll just go straight away and click on the box. But if it's humans don't always go in a straight line with the mouses or anything. There'll be some distortion at least. So if you move your mouse distortingly, you will be able to click on it, and it'll get solved very easily. It'll get solved by itself. You don't need to do anything else. Sometimes you might have to do it, but as you can see here, it just finished for me. I didn't even have to solve it. So that's just one small neat little trick for you to use. You can do it in mobile too, but you will have to scroll on the page or click on the side of the page before clicking on the box for the link. Okay, now I'm going back to the website. I can just cut this right here. That was Linkinator. Okay, and now it's going to be the last one, shorten. Should be pretty fine. I hope you people have been able to understand what I was trying to make you understand, and it's the same procedure for every other short links. It's not only on this page. Okay, you can do other short links too. They'll probably have the same procedure. We'll just complete this short link and then we should be done with. So that's it right there, and I can just click on get link here and it will take me back to the website. I think this will have pop-ups though. Yeah, this does have pop-ups. So that's pretty much it actually, because this is what they basically do all the time. This is what every procedure is. Okay, so I'm back on the website now. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.